Hello all, I'm here to tell you about Easy Accents, which is a Google add-on. You can use it on both Slides and Google Docs, and you can go and you add it like this. So you go to Add-on, Easy Accents Start. You then choose your language, and there's over 20 languages to choose from. So I usually type in Spanish since sometimes I need things translated. So I go to Spanish, and then it gives me a list of what special characters I need. So if I'm asking a question like, ¿Dónde estás mis pantalones? I can go back, and I know that there's an accent over the E, so I would choose the E, and I would fix it that way. Okay. And so it's really helpful to use. Also, it's available in Slides. So if you open it the same way, you can go to Add-ons, Easy Accents Slides, select my language. You can have your language in Spanish or French or even German. So I know that might be helpful for some of your German assignments or some of your Spanish assignments. So let's say we're talking about tomorrow. So if I put tomorrow right here, mañana, I need an accent over the N. So I would click on the N, I would highlight it, and then click on the N over here, and it would put that special character in for me. So if you have any more questions, let me know or be sure to email me. Thanks, guys.